Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we're diving into the rich flavors of Palestinian cuisine with a classic dish, lamb and Basmati Maqlooba. Authentic Palestinian Maqlooba recipe, how to make homemade lamb and Basmati Maqlooba. This savory one-pot wonder is not only delicious but also a symbol of unity and sharing in Palestinian culture. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to try this mouth-watering recipe. Let's get started. To make this Palestinian Maqlooba, here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 cups Basmati rice. 1 pound lamb, cut into chunks. 1 large eggplant, sliced. 2 large carrots, peeled and sliced. 1 large cauliflower, florets separated. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. ½ cup vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon ground allspice. ½ teaspoon ground black pepper. Salt to taste. 4 cups chicken or lamb broth. Toasted nuts, almonds or pine nuts, for garnish. Fresh parsley for garnish. Now, let's move on to the preparation steps. 1. Prepare the rice. Rinse the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes, then drain. 2. Brown the lamb. In a large pot, heat vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the lamb chunks, season with salt, and brown on all sides. 3. Sauté the vegetables. Add chopped onions to the pot and sauté until translucent. Stir in minced garlic, cinnamon, allspice, and black pepper. Add carrots, cauliflower, and eggplant. Cook until slightly tender. 4. Layering the pot. Arrange the browned lamb at the bottom of the pot. Place the partially cooked vegetables over the lamb. Top with the soaked and drained basmati rice. 5. Cooking process. Pour the chicken or lamb broth over the layers. Bring the pot to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the rice is cooked. 6. Flipping the Makloba. Once cooked, place a large serving platter over the pot and carefully flip the pot upside down, allowing the rice to form the top layer. 7. Garnish and serve. Garnish the Makloba with toasted nuts and fresh parsley. And there you have it, a delicious homemade Palestinian Maqlooba with lamb and basmati rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more culinary adventures, and I'll see you in the next video. Here are some of the advantages of including this traditional Palestinian dish in your diet. Rich in protein, lamb is a great source of high-quality protein, essential for muscle development, repair, and overall body function. Healthy fats. Lamb contains healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health and brain function. Complex carbohydrates. Basmati rice provides complex carbohydrates, offering a sustained release of energy. This can help maintain stable blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Nutrient-dense vegetables. The dish includes a variety of vegetables like eggplant, carrots, and cauliflower, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. These contribute to overall health, digestion, and immune function. Antioxidant properties. The spices used in Maklouba, such as cinnamon and allspice, have antioxidant properties that can help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Happy cooking! Thank you very much lamb and Basmati Maqlooba lovers.